What we are showing here is a secure lifecycle management demo for portable medical health devices. We have edgelock to go. With edgelock to go, what we do is a simple NFC based onboarding services. What I do is like the device manufacturer at the end of production line simply has an NFC reader and then places the device on the NFC reader, and then the edgelock to go kind of identifies the device and then puts the OEM relevant credentials into the device. And once the device is provisioned, it is now ready for shipment, and it can be sent across the world. So the patients can directly purchase from the mass market. So let's assume that you buy this device from Amazon. So what, as the end user, you have to do is you simply have to, when you purchase the device, you have to download the app of the device manufacturer. Let's assume that this is a device of Philips Healthcare, and if the Philips Health, all you have to do is download the Philips Healthcare app. And what you have to do is to onboard the device is to identify yourself, so that you can do that with the help of your health insurance card. And what we have is to simply tap your NFC based health insurance card directly at the NFC interface of the smartphone or the tablet, register, create an account with them. And once the account is created, the next thing what you do is to identify if it's a genuine device or a fake device. Just press the check device option and just place the device at the NFC interface, and it now checks if the device is genuine. And now once you identify that the device is genuine and the user is genuine, what you now create is a user specific certificate on the device, which can be used then for communication to the back end. I am now doing the provisioning process. And now during the provisioning process, I also tell to which doctor this data has to go. So now I do the onboarding process. So now the device is provisioned and ready for use, and all these things is done simple do-it-yourself way, in that sense that the patient does not have to be a technical expert to understand what is happening here. So it is a simple guided process how to do this onboarding by yourself. So now what I do is to turn on the device and start measuring my body vitals. Now you see is the device is connected, and now it kind of starts monitoring the body vitals. So what we now have is a digital twin representation of the body vitals data, both on the back end. So with the digital twin representation, what we do is use distributed machine learning framework. In this distributed machine learning framework, what we do is do a little bit of machine learning directly on the device as well as on the edge. So what does this distributed machine learning process does is like to identify the trends in your body vital sensor data and identify if there is any anomalies. And with these anomalies, you can get a trigger that the doctor gets a notification that there is something wrong with the patient, and he can call the patient and then kind of schedule an appointment for a detailed diagnosis in the second step. So this way it kind of reduces the effort or the load of the hospital personnel, that the patient does not have to be in the hospital, and the advantage is also that the patient stays at the home where he is much more comfortable with.